Hey guys, Mark here on a classic. We're going to start this little episode this week with an unboxing sent in to me from Colin. He's on my other channel, Celtic Crossbows. Thank you Colin, appreciate it. And it's a matchbox convoy, which I also note on the channel. We're going to be starting this series over here on I Own a Classic. So thank you guys, let's get into this and let's have a look. Then we open the box. We open from on the side to hide my address. Coming in, using one of the beautiful knives, handmade for me by Stuart. If you want to see Stuart making his knives, switch over to my other channel, Celtic Crossbows, where I run a series called I Own a Classic, and I highlight some of the excellent handmade skills from some of the people around the country. Okay, let's have it here. Oh, okay, I haven't got one of these. It's a new matchbox, something which I don't collect as a rule. Because the new matchbox I've not been a fan of. I won't lie. I've not been too impressed with the new matchbox products, especially the matchbox convoys. I think they are quite a cheap, nasty toy. Oh, now that is different. That's really nice. I like that. Recycled metal. Seagrave fire appliance. Okay, let's bring the camera in, let's have a look. Okay, so let's have a look at this here. So we've got the front of the package. You can see it's a really nice presentation from Mattel. Because for a while some of the Mattels was really, I honestly thought was quite bad. So it's glued down ends. Oh, that's nice. It's on a nice tray as well. Oh, I like that. That's really nice. Because I do collect the fire engines. That's really nice. I like that. Oh look, complete with broken ladder. That's nice. I don't know. I just slides in this somehow. Let's have a look. There we are. So that's now fitted. Extending ladder. Very stiff extending ladder. Let's get her on the turntable. Let's have a look. Okay then guys, here we are. We've got this beautiful little Seagrave fire engine from Mattel Matchbox on the table, and I'll be honest with you, I'm really pleasantly surprised. The detail on this is fantastic. It's not like the Matchbox convoys of late. This is a totally different league. It's an all metal alloy body, plastic ladder and open plastic chassis like everything else these days. But the actual body is all metal, unlike the Tesla, which is 95% plastic in the convoys range, which I absolutely hate. They're displayed on the side. You've got all the controls for the pumping system and for the ladder, etc. The winch is particularly finely detailed on the front. I really like that. The wheels actually suit the die-cast as well. The ladder is really good and very well defined and detailed, and the tamper printing, you can see right down to the millimeters It's not even millimeters, it's thousandths of a millimeter. Really, really nice, superior quality. Let's see if I can read anything off the box back to this. Now it doesn't say anything additional on the packaging. All it really says is made from recycled metal. Seagrave Fire Appliances Limited, LLC trademarks or under license to Mattel. Perhaps that's why it's such a fantastic product, because it's a licensed product. It really is top quality. Let's have a look now with the ladder and everything in operation. Okay. She shows, even her slant at the table, she rolls so well. She's a really nice little engine. See, turning, pivoting ladder, extension, that all works great. Better focus, see. The GoPro is given a slightly orange tint. I've changed it, and that slightly orange tint to the engine, but it's more of a crimson red than an orange red. Look at that, she's absolutely gorgeous. Thanks for watching on the video, guys. If you are watching, give the old thumbs up and like and subscribe and share. First of the new generation of matchboxes I've unboxed on the channel. Really impressed with it. A really top quality model, and it is more of a model in the toy. Like I said, the detail is fantastic, and you want to see more on the moving parts range, hit the old video, like, share and subscribe, and there'll be videos upcoming the rest of the week. I've got a couple of unboxings to do, and thank you Colin for sending this one in to me, and the next one is going to be on the Convoys CY1, and I'm going to try and get to CY2 and CY3 before the end of the week. I try and squeeze in the time. So thanks for watching, like and subscribe, take care, bye bye.